Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Kevin and Silas Philippine Life. So today we will give you some update about our track. So Kevin now is putting back all the things because we just get this truck today. We bring
Truck back today. The truck back today.
okay, but this one they fix it. Yeah,
What?
can you tell?
The Fender.
Yeah. So I think guys we saw no we give you some video about this what happened that we get accident here I think 1 year ago. So our Fender is been wrecked, so now it's fixed, so everything is good. So we just bring this one in one auto shop here in Sorsogon, so we find some good auto shops. So this is the one they fix this Fender. So before just wait guys, I'm putting my mic. Before this is wrecked and the paint is, you know, it's been curved, so now it's fixed. So Kevin is here putting back all the things, and we add guys also a dash cam, front and rear. So I will show you guys. This is the dash cam here. Here. So this is the dash cam we add, front and rear, because so at least at the night we have a, what do you call this, some view, and also if there's something accident happen we can see it. Not same before that we doesn't know, right? So we have here also the rear. Can you show it maybe where?
Yes. That camera.
Oh, okay, they make it hold there. So how it is, my love?
Good.
About the Fender.
That's good.
What can we tell about?
I'm doing stuff.
Okay.
What do you want to know?
How it is? How it's fixed? It fixed to it's
The
okay.
Fender?
Yeah.
The Fender's pretty good.
Okay.
I mean, for the money, it didn't charge a lot, so for the
Yeah.
money, it was definitely worth it.
So yeah, guys, we didn't use also our insurance. I will get it.
No?
So yeah. So we didn't apply this to the insurance. We've been asking the Ford before how much it is. I think.
You want it?
Yeah, the Fender itself is cost like 15. How much it is, baby? Sorry. When we just
New or new?
new one, new one in the Ford. When we asked how much the Fender, because we plan to change all the Fender, the Fender, right?
30,000, I think.
Yeah, I think the quota is 30,000, so we said no need, and you know, then Kev, yeah, 30,000 pesos. Now, I think last week, no, few weeks, Kevin ordered online the used one, right?
Yes.
It's cost 11,000 because, you know, but he decided to put it back because what happened?
Yeah, they did the bait and switch on me. The picture in the Lazada, it was actually Lazada. And for those that don't know, there's, like, we have Amazon back in the US. We can get Amazon here, but they have Lazada and Shopee are basically kind of the same thing. Anyway, on Lazada, one of the sellers on there had a Fender, and the picture of it was a brand new, well, not brand new, it looked like it was just like a takeoff Fender. Didn't need any body work, just scuff and paint to match my body color, and that would have been it. But when it showed up, it wasn't the same color. Somebody had put sheet metal screws through the side of the Fender and attached an aftermarket wheel flare to it. What else? Oh, it had dents in it, so it would have needed as much work as my other Fender. So I just returned that one. And I talked to a friend of mine here, Eric. He was actually our supplier for the materials for the house. He has a guy that does work, body work. Anyway, we ended up using him, so we saved a lot of money.
Yeah.
So he did that, and then Sella noticed that they have
Yeah,
dash
because-
cam installation.
When I go there to their shop, I see that they are listing what they can do, right? So I said, oh, they're installing, because it's been long times, guys, that I want to have a dash cam and a rear camera, right? So we can see, especially here driving in the Philippines, with accent. No, of course, if even though that is their problem, they would blame to Kevin, right? With accent, no.
Yeah, now there's video proof if something
Yeah.
does happen.
So we don't have, when we have accidents here, for me, it's hard to me to explain that, because that happened to the Fender. I didn't notice that there's the bike coming in, right? So maybe they cannot hear me. So that's why I asked I insisted to have a camera. So it's better. So I said it's better we have a proof if there's something accidents that is not our fault, because it's end up we are the one paying the hospital bill, everything. So that's good, right?
Yep.
So that's it, guys. Where are you going, baby? Sorry.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm sitting here.
So that's it, guys. And about our house, what is it? Tell to them.
No offers. Sella talked to somebody in Manila that has a foreigner boyfriend, so they seem interested in it. So we'll see how that goes.
Yeah. So when everything is settled or deal, because we just waiting for their message if they will, because they like our house, guys. They said it's, it's a retirement and everything. So we're waiting for a good signal that okay, we want that. So they are coming here in the Sorsogon from Manila. So I think this week, guys. So hopefully, guys, our house will be sold and our new adventure, right?
Yes, time to travel.
Yeah. So, okay, guys. Thank you.
Okay,
God bless you all.
quick update.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye guys.